Hello, Team MG. We are so excited to have you here for the Hour of Code 2020. We know some of you have participated in the Hour Code for several years, and we are excited to bring this opportunity to everyone this year again. So, the Hour of Code is part of a week-long celebration of Computer Science Education Week. And the goal of Computer Science Education Week is to let students like you know all about careers and possibilities that are possible with computer science and computer coding. So today we're going to focus on coding, and coding is the language, just like English or Spanish or any other language, that computers use to communicate with one another and to communicate with other devices and to do all the things that we expect our technology to do. So today you're going to have the opportunity during an hour today to explore some of these options on this board in front of you. You may find something that you love and you want to do even more. So these are just a starting point, and you can continue on your Hour of Code throughout the month of December and beyond. All of these opportunities here are free, and you can access them at any time. So let's get started by looking at the options on our choice board. So the first one here is called Code Combat. So if you click on that on your Chromebook, what you're going to do is you'll come to this, you'll click I'm a student, and then click Play Now. Once I do that, it will load up and I can go in and do all the activities here. This one's a little bit trickier, but I know some of you are ready for the challenge. We also then have Khan Academy. And some of you might be familiar with Khan Academy from other topics that you've studied. But let's take a look at their coding course. If I click on the icon, I come here, I'm going to click Start Coding Now. And here is a whole series of directions and activities for you to complete about coding on Khan Academy. The next option is a favorite from last year, is the dance party. And this is at code.org. So when I click on here, it will take me through all of the steps. There are great video tutorials embedded in here, so you can watch the video. And once you finish the video, it's going to ask you to choose your age. Mrs. Bertana is well over 21. And as you go through here, you can look at all of these options. I also want you to pay attention over here. You can have it read to you. So if I click the play button,
drag the Make a New block into the workspace
and it will tell me what to do. So I can follow all those directions and go through all of that. So the step-by-step directions are there. Let's go with the sloth, and we'll put him at top. And then you're going to move this over here. And then you can click the run button to see how that works. There we go. All right. So that is the dance party. Now I'm going to come back over here, and down below here, this is the entire code.org course you could go through. So when I click on this, it's going to open up this window. I can click Try Now. The first option is the dance party we just did, but there are a lot more options listed here. So you can actually jump through and choose any of these to get started with. Lots of choices there. Then we have a new one this year is all about artificial intelligence with a focus on protecting our oceans. So when I open this one up, again, there's a great video I encourage you to watch. And once you've watched that video, you're going to meet our AI robot who is going to talk you through the steps of training up a robot to recognize garbage or fish. So you're going to read the directions and follow through, and it will tell you what to do. So he does not know if an object is a fish or trash, but he can figure out patterns. So you're going to go ahead and follow the directions and tell it if it's fish or not fish. And there's all those directions there. The next one is very much like Create Your Own Dance Party, but it is Minecraft. So if I click here on Minecraft, I have several options I can go through and learn more about coding through Minecraft. I know many of you enjoy Minecraft. Then there's another one that uses Scratch. Some of you might have used Scratch before. This is where you're going to create some bouncing balls using Scratch. So it's going to load up. This one has got some extra steps, but you can go through and learn all about that bouncing ball and the directions there by watching video directions when you get started. And then finally, we have one that isn't quite about coding, but it is about problem solving. This is a Google Drawings document. So when you open it up, it will show you this. You'll click Make a Copy. And it will open up to your very own shapegrams. And so you need to figure out the directions on how to make your own ice cream cone using shapes. Now, this one's a little tricky. You have to scroll here at the bottom to see the directions and read all and watch the videos to get all those steps. So we really hope that you find something you enjoy during this hour of code and maybe even beyond. And you'll consider learning more about computer science education as you continue on in your education. We hope you enjoy Hour of Code. Enjoy!